Hello guys, my name is Moiro Alon. I want to discuss with you how to determine the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix using Cramer's rule. Take an example. Given matrix P with entities 3, 2, negative 3, negative 4, 0, 4, 5, 7, 1. Find the determinant of matrix P. This is our case study. In this, we first of all, a code sign is on the first row. The entities of the first row are coded signs, as you are saying in the first step. The first entity is given a positive sign. The second entity on that first row is given negative. The third entity is again positive. If there is another false entity on the first row, it will be given a negative sign. But here we have the matrix is a 3 by 3, so meaning that we have 3 columns and 3 rows. Then, if we stand in the position of 3, which is the first entity on the first row, and we seize out that column and that row containing the 3, like the way I've crossed. I've crossed out, I have seized the first row and the first column, and the remaining matrix is 0, 4, 7, 1. Now, the 3 is taken as a scalar. We multiply the scalar with the determinant of that minor matrix. That's why I'm having here 3 into 0, 4, 7, 1 minus 2 a scalar times the determinant of the minor matrix after seizing out the first row and the second column, because the 2 is in the second column and the first row. So we seize out, we cross out that first row and the second column, and we remain with a minor matrix negative 4, 4, 5, 1. So the scalar negative 2 is going to be multiplied with that minor matrix. Again, plus a negative 3. The entity on the first row, the entity negative 3. That 3 is now a scalar being multiplied with the minor matrix after seizing out the third column and the first row. We remain with a minor matrix, which is negative 4, 0, 5, 7. Now, we are going to multiply the scalar with the minor matrix. Now we are having a 2 by 2 matrix. The minor matrix are a 2 by 2, 2 columns and 2 rows. And there we get the determinant by product of the major diagonal minus product of the minor diagonal. Product of the major diagonal minus product of the minor diagonal. That leads us to that determinant of P is now 3 multiplied with 0 minus 28. The 0 is coming as a result of multiplying 0 and 1. That is the major diagonal. That diagonal that ranges from the top left corner to the bottom right corner is called the major diagonal or the principal diagonal. Then the minor diagonal is the diagonal that ranges from the lower left corner to the upper right corner. That's the main diagonal. Now, we have now a 3 multiplied by negative 28, giving us negative 84. Then, here we're having negative 2 multiplied with negative 4 minus 20. Now, if we first of all deal with the bracket, we shall have negative 24 multiplied with negative 2, giving us positive 48. Then the 3 multiplied negative 3 multiplied by negative 28, it gives us 84. Now, if we calculate this simple algebra, addition and subtraction, we get the determinant of that matrix P as 48. The determinant of a matrix is always a scalar. Thank you for watching.